Welcome to Stories Desk channel. Today's story is called The Lazy Man's Lesson, and it will help you understand the present simple tense. Let's begin. This is Tom. Tom is a lazy man. He wakes up late. He does not clean his room. He does not cook food. He always waits for help. Tom's neighbor is John. John is different. He wakes up early. He cleans his house. He makes his breakfast. He helps his children. He goes to work on time. One day, Tom feels hungry. He finds no food. He goes to John and says, "I am hungry." John says, "You do not work, but you want food. You feel tired because you do nothing." Tom thinks. The next day, Tom wakes up early. He cleans his room. He makes tea. He feels good. He tells John, "Today I work. I feel happy." John smiles and says, "Good job. Work gives joy." Moral of the story: lazy people wait for help. Wise people help themselves. Grammar tip: use the present. Simple for daily habits, like he wakes up, she cleans, they work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more easy English stories.